What is up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to take a screenshot on Windows 10, okay? So let's get started right now. What you want to do guys, you want to just, for example, if you want to take a screenshot of Facebook, you can do it. You can just search Facebook on your Google Chrome, or if you want to take a screenshot of a part of the video, like you want to take a screenshot of a video, you can do it. So when you are on the video that you want to take a screenshot of or anything on the screen, you can just click here, as you can see this, click here and then click screen snipe. Okay, just click screen snipe, and after that you want to just just click and select the part that you want to take a screenshot to to save on your laptop. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to select this small part, and just after that you want to click on this and then click here save. As you can see, click save, and after you click on save, you have to name your screenshot, for example NN or anything like that, and then click save. Make sure it's on desktop, okay, and then click save, and you will find the screenshot on desktop. As you can see here, we have screenshot. We have done a screenshot of the screen. If it doesn't work, what you want to do guys, you want to go again to that here, as you can see at the very bottom right, and then click screen snipe, and then you can do a full screen. Okay, you can just take a screenshot of the full screen. You can just click here and click on the picture at the very bottom, and then again click on save here. As you can see, save, and name the screenshot, for example and then make sure it's on desktop so that you can see it easily, or you can just store it on downloads, the commands. I like to use desktop, and then click save, and as you can see here, this is the picture, as you can see. So I hope this video guys helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.